All right, this is February 19th, and we just got our earnings deposited in our wallet last night on the 18th, which was Friday night. It's Saturday now. For this account that has $29,696 in it, I will be taking the earnings from this week, which is $2,929.76, and I will be recompounding it. I will be putting it back into my MT4 trading account, so now it will be trading with more money this week. So let's go ahead and do that. I am going to go ahead and go to transaction, internal transfer. I don't want transfer from my wallet, from my MT4 to the wallet. I want to go from the wallet to MT4 account. Make sure that that's selected to MT4 trading capital. I'm going to put this amount here. And then I'm just going to hit send code. Okay, I have my 6-digit verification code, and I'm going to click submit. You now see that my wallet is empty. It says internal transfer successful. Your deposit request processed successfully. And if you click on here, you see that the wallet is empty, and now my trading account is now at $32,626.16.